Hello. So real quickly, I want to show how to insert a math symbol. I'm using PowerPoint right now. They also have this in Word. You can also copy and paste it into Word as well. So I want to write a fraction 1 and 5/10 divided by 5. So I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to click on Symbol. And then Equations. And at the bottom, I'm going to click on the option to ink equation. And I can put in this box here, it says write math here. I'm going to put 1.5 and then divide it by 3, for example. And it automatically creates the input here. Once I have it to where I want it, I simply click on Insert, and it inserts it for me. I can take this, and I can actually change them if I want to change them. I'm going to go ahead and erase the initial, and now I have it over here. And I have my equation in here. And that's how you do it.